Welcome to video PN-6. This is similar to lesson 2, example 3, permutations of license plates. Here's the problem. Suppose a state requires license plates to have 3 digits, 0 through 9, followed by 4 letters, and each letter could be A through Z. Several questions. First one, how many different plates are possible with repetition allowed, repeating digits or letters, and then in the second case, without repetition allowed? So we'll do the first one here. I'm a visual person, so I like to slot it up. So 3 digits, I'm going to make 3 blanks. So these are the digits, and these are the letters. Okay, and we're doing this first example here. All right. With repetition allowed, well, this could be anybody from 0 through 9, 0 through 9, 0 through 9. This could be anybody from A to Z, A to Z, A to Z, A to Z. And we'll use the multiplication rule, the number of ways of doing this times this times this. So I've got 10 times 10 times 10 times 26 times 26 times 26 times 26. If we were doing it without a calculator, I would simply state 10 cubed times 26 to the 4th. You could work it out with a calculator, but for this purpose for the video, I'll just leave it like that. All right, now we're into the second part. I'll do that below here, then I'll erase. How many are possible with no repetition allowed? All right, so again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I could put any of the 10 digits here, but once I select a digit there, I can't use it again. So there's only 9 left to choose from. Likewise, over here, I can't use that digit or that digit, so I've only got 8 to choose from. Okay, for my letters, again, I've got 26. For my second one, I can't repeat 25, 24, and 23. And for this video, I'll just leave it like this. You could multiply it out. Okay, problem B. If you randomly select any license plate, what's the probability that it has no repetition? So I'll put that work over here. So it's the number with no repetition over the total. Oh, this is the number with no repetition. This is the total. So it's going to be 10 times 9 times 8 times 26 times 25 times 24 times 23 all over 10 cubed times 26 to the 4th. And again, you could calculate that with your calculator, but just for this video, I'll just set it up for you. Typically, we'll give 3 decimal places for the probabilities. Okay, and then finally, let me erase this work here. How many plates begin with the digit 5 and end with the letters GO, my initials, with repetition allowed and without repetition allowed? Okay, let's set it up again. So these are the digits, these are the letters. So it says it must begin with the digit 5 and it must end with GO. So I just kind of put what the possibilities are below. Well, there's only one way of doing that. There's one way of doing that, and there's one way of doing that. All right, so we're going to do it with repetition allowed. So over here, I can repeat the 5. Again, it could be anybody 0 through 9, 0 through 9. So there's 10 ways, 10 ways. Over here, it could be anybody A through Z, anybody A through Z. So 26 times 26. So my answer simplifies to 10 squared times 26 squared. And again, you could calculate that with your calculator. I'm just trying to speed things up for the video. All right, then the second part says, same problem, but without repetition. Okay, so let me erase this. This is still the same. There's one way to put a 5 there, one way to put a G there, one way to put a O there. So now for this digit, it could be anybody 0 through 9, but not 5. So there were 10 ways, now there's only 9 ways. Over here, 0 through 9, not 5, and not the previous. So there were 10 ways. Don't be that and don't be that. There's 8. Same thing over here. Okay, I could be A through Z, but not G and not O. So there were 26, but don't be those two, so that's 24. And likewise over here, don't be that one, or that one. So 26 take away 3 is 23. So if I simplify my answer, it's just 9 times 8 times 24 times 23. Again, this is the conceptual way of solving the problem. Okay, and there you have it, how to solve problems involving permutations and license plates.